Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Cowell in South Australia.
Cowell is a small coastal town on the eastern side of the Eyre Peninsula in South Australia. It is located on the edge of the Franklin Harbour and has a thriving oyster industry and is a popular holiday and fishing destination. Cowell is located approximately 490 kilometres from Adelaide.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. In today's video we explore the Foreshore, Jetty and Splash Park and wander around the town centre. We also see the stunning Silo Art, the Agricultural Museum and wander along the Mangrove Boardwalk. We drive out to Port Gibbon and show you around the RV park.
The Cowell Foreshore is located at the end of the main street, with lots of lawn areas, picnic tables and walking tracks. It also has a free splash park with 2 water slides and a fun water zone with sprinklers, a tipping bucket and pop-up water jets. Next to the splash park, there is an inflatable bouncing pillow, a playground, a skate park and a full-size basketball court. There are also picnic tables, free barbecues, toilets and change rooms. From the splash park, we walk down to the Cowell Marina and the boat ramp. The sheltered waters of the Franklin Harbour make it a popular fishing spot for locals and visitors alike. Keen fishermen have the chance to catch silver whiting, snapper, squid, mullet, flathead, garfish, tommy ruff, snook and blue swimmer crabs. The Cowell Jetty was built in 1882 and stretches approximately 146 metres out into the calm waters of Franklin Harbour. It is a popular spot for fishing for whiting, squid, garfish and blue swimmer crabs. The Remembrance Park at the Foreshore was opened on the 11th of November 2025 and is a memorial park dedicated to the 38 World War I and World War II veterans named on the Cowell Monument.
The main street of Cowell has several cafes, 2 hotels, a supermarket, a hardware store, a chemist and a news agency. There is also an interesting historic walk around town with plaques outside the significant buildings. The Franklin Harbour Hotel was the first hotel built in Cowell as a single-storey hotel in 1881. The second storey was added in 1907. The old Post and Telegraph Office was built in 1888 and now houses the town's museum. The museum is open daily from 10 AM to 2 PM. The Franklin Harbour Institute was built in 1893 and used for social functions, performances and church services. It now houses the Visitor Information Centre and the Cowell Craft Shop. The Cowell Craft Shop has a great range of homemade gifts, jewellery, cakes, jams and so much more. Cowell is also well known for its jade, which was discovered by a local farmer in 1965. You can purchase Cowell jade and jewellery at the craft shop. The commercial hotel was constructed as a substantial two-storey stone building in 1910 and quickly became a central meeting place for locals and travellers. The District Council of Franklin Harbour Council Chambers building was originally the National Bank building, which was built in 1912. After wandering around the town centre, we went to see the Silo Art.
The Cowell Silos were transformed into a striking piece of public art in 2019 by artist Nitsua. The mural celebrates local legend Lionel Deer, pictured with his camel Diamantina. Lionel was known for bringing his camels to the town's Christmas pageant for more than 30 years and for his generous, larrikin nature that has left a lasting impression on the community. The artwork also features a Port Lincoln parrot and a nearby farmhouse ruin. Near the silos is an interesting artwork by Michael Motteram Smith. This small artwork features an oyster alongside native flowers painted across a map of South Australia's coastline. Next stop was the Agricultural Museum.
The Agricultural Museum is a large free outdoor museum located on the Lincoln Highway in Cowell. It was established in 1972 and features an impressive collection of vintage tractors, harvest equipment, and everyday farming items that show how life on the land has evolved over the decades. There is also a train on display that was used to haul various goods up and down the jetty when ships came into port.
The Mangrove Boardwalk is located near the boat ramp at the Foreshore. We stopped into the shelter to learn more about the mangroves and marine life in the area. Then we wandered along the boardwalk, which meanders through the mangroves to a platform overlooking the Franklin Harbour.
Cowell is also known for its fresh seafood and has a thriving oyster industry. The Franklin Harbour creates the perfect environment for growing premium Pacific oysters, as it is sheltered from harsh ocean conditions and fed by nutrient-rich currents. Cowell oysters have a distinct flavour that is clean and briny with a subtle sweetness and a smooth nutty finish. Oyster farming here is not only a major part of the local economy, but also a carefully managed sustainable industry.
Port Gibbon is located approximately 20 kilometres from Cowell, and this stretch of coastline offers beautiful open beaches backed by low cliffs and views across the Spencer Gulf. It is a popular place to go camping, fishing, swimming, or just to relax. You can book the campgrounds online, and there are bins, toilets, coin-operated showers, and a dump point available in Port Gibbon.
Cowell Foreshore Caravan Park is located just off the main street near the Franklin Harbour Hotel. It has 85 powered and unpowered caravan sites, a range of cabins, barbecues and a camp kitchen, laundry facilities and a dump point. Cowell also has an RV park located 1 kilometre from the town centre on Beach Road. It is suitable for self-contained caravans and motorhomes, and there are 22 unpowered sites with water and bins available.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.